So I'm going upstairs now to our roof deck. So I got videotape the fireworks for you guys. Here we are on my roof. Wait.
Over there, girl.
Yeah, this is on my roof, you guys. It's the 4th of July, 2016.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
When you zoom in.
Like Lincoln said, this is like a 360-degree show.
There. When you zoom in.
I know back east in Pennsylvania we saw these fireworks stands.
Oh, the fireworks fly out there.
Like
Oh,
in
perfect.
Gettysburg, we rented a car and we were driving all the way to Pittsburgh.
Sorry, darkness. There.
That could be the Calyaka.
There we go.
Because every year from our apartment on 3rd Street,
I'm on top of my roof, on our roof deck.
the Beach Club and then the Bel Air Bay Club. I know.
And
I remember Mom and Dad used to watch it for the Brentwood Country Club, right? Remember the Brentwood Country Club?
Oh, yeah, we all
Get back.
We just watch them up Margarita.
Don't want to fall and kill myself. I'm 2 stories high.
Oh, they're having their grand finale over there.
Yeah.
That must be Culver City. Out back. Inside the football stadium. Yeah, that must be Culver City over there.
All the way over there to Westchester.
Yeah.
Oh, so fucking dark.
See over
Oh.
here. That must be Culver City High School.
No, wait.
Where that tree blew up, you can see almost like the Coliseum.
Yeah, that damn Santa Monica.
Oh, there's some.
There's like 2 weeks ago, those bastards. I know.
Awesome.
So patriotic.
Sorry that that goddamn tree's in the way. Oh, wow. Bitchin'. We're on my roof at my house, on our roof
I
deck.
think that's Mars
See?
right there.
Yeah, because last
It looks
year,
orange. doesn't it?
See the ladder going from my parents' closet?
last year there was a marine. Couldn't see. Couldn't go up and see.
See, now that was Westchester over there.
Yep, our avocado tree.
That's like Long Beach.
That's proof.
Yeah, straight down there, that's Westchester. Over there, can you see? By this one?
Yeah, that's the airport. You can see it way too.
Manhattan Beach, probably. Wow. Yeah, that's Manhattan Beach. Look at that, down there. This is amazing. They grew up on this hill.
I know. Yeah, the people up there
Yeah,
don't
there's
see.
a lot of noise over there.
Oh, crap.
Well, there's a big joke.
Let me see if I can zoom in. What the hell's going on down there?
Oh, this tree here? You're right at it.
Oh, just some kids. Just some dumbass kids with firecrackers. Fucking morons.
I know, I was in Chicago about 10 years ago. I went to the White Sox game on the 4th of July. And afterwards, just the whole skyline of Chicago was lit up.
Mom, I'm busy.
Man, this is unbelievable. Yeah.
I think that's that lady's grandchildren.
Yep.
That's probably a good experience.
Happy motherfucking 4th of July,
Oh,
everyone.
look at that red, white, and blue.
Here, out of my way.
Neat.
Here. Huh? put this on YouTube.
Okay.
Oh, that's better zoomed in.
Yeah, you gotta zoom it in.
Oh shit.
Man, I'm so glad I came over here, Carol.
I know.
This is amazing.
Go to any show, man.
I know. Well, Jimmy always liked coming up here.
Yeah, it's nice. And this year you can see everything.
I know.
Last year it was foggy, and they would go up into the clouds and disappear.
Like at the Japanese Jamboree that time. Remember that?
Well, that was smoke. They
Yeah,
had so many.
I know.
Oh, look at their little fireworks. That's fun.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we used to do that
Yeah, that's neat.
in the backyard. Throw all the embers in the cow pool. Remember that?
God.
Oh, holy crap, I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Try to get it in focus. There you go.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, when I cleared out that place on Sawtell and Pico, I had to put the cow pool in the dumpster thing because it was all rusted out.
Broken.
Yeah, I know. But I couldn't have kept it anyway. There's no place to put it. I mean,
And you know, we had to do that with the paddleboard too.
yeah, I had to throw away so much stuff.
Yeah.
But I was smart to clear that place out. Oh yeah, I know. I know. Wow, that's quite a show they're putting on down there.
Look at it on my video camera.
Whoa, those are probably private ones.
Uncle
there.
Charlie, look at it on my video camera.
Oh wow, look at that. That's a neat camera you got there, Graham.
Yeah, he's gonna take it to Disneyland next time.
Oh, fun.
In October this year. Mom's taking me on 12.
Neat. Is your birthday October 12th? No.
No, it's May 7th.
Going to
The haunted house?
Yeah, and the Haunted Mansion holiday. I've never been on the holiday version.
Oh, focus it in. Look.
It is focusing.
Yeah, there you got it.
That's a beautiful show. I think that's Marina Del Rey, don't you?
The one on the right here is.
That's the main one. They
Yeah,
do that over the water.
Yeah, that's like put on by the county of LA.
Yeah.
Because the marina's a county property, not
Right.
city.
Yeah.
I don't want anything like that on my video.
Yeah, that must be the
Wow, that's nice.
government.
Quiet,
show.
quiet. I don't want that on my video.
Okay, Graham. We won't go.
Damn.
There's so much noise to the east, though. I wonder what that is.
Oh, there's some shows over
Yeah, you got Culver City. And,
Can't you see it through the trees?
yeah.
Yeah. See it?
Boom,
Years ago,
bam,
the trees
colorful.
weren't grown up.
It's beautiful, motherfuckers.
But like I said, I was in Chicago about 10 years ago, and at the stadium, I looked out after the game was over, and like the whole panorama was fireworks everywhere. It's just crazy. Because they don't have as many regulations back there.
Doing the finale.
Oh, here we go. Wow.
Here's the final finale, everyone.
Look at that. Wow. Look at that, just one big stream. Whoa.
Try not to move too fast.
We've got all the little fountains.
Yeah, these people that are in the nearby neighborhood must have gotten in trouble because I don't see any of those wild animals around here.
Oh, there's some more.
Look at, there's a police helicopter there with a searchlight. I wonder what he's looking for.
What do you think he's looking for? People setting off fireworks.
No, send fires. Here we go, people. That's a helicopter over there.
This is what it sounded like back in the 40s.
Holy shit on a stick, people.
Okay.
Don't say that. See, there's a nice one down. It's like the
Oh yeah,
or
one's
something.
way down.
Yeah,
It's on the other side of the hill.
it's
That's
like
Westchester.
Inglewood or.
That's Westchester.
Wow.
Well, everyone, I hope you enjoy the show. Well, I'll upload this to my YouTube channel.
It's like the canal.
Here's, we're going down now from our roof deck. And now you all can see my face, so happy 4th of July, everyone. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Enjoy the show. And please comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. Okay? Like, comment, and subscribe to my 2 YouTube channels, and follow me on my Twitter, please. Thank you, and have a happy 4th of July. Right now is July 4th, 2016, Monday in California, United States of America, Los Angeles. Later.